Pandas, count since last transaction. I have a data frame, call it txn_df, that contains monetary transaction records. Here are the significant columns in this problem. Assume also that we have multiple customers here. Withdraw and deposit 0.0 value for both means no transaction has taken place. What I want to do is to produce a new column that indicates how many months has occurred since there was a transaction. Something similar to this. The only solution so far that I can think of is to produce a new column has_txn, which is either 10 or true/false, when either one of withdraw and deposit has value is greater than 0.0, but I can't continue from there.
One way to solve this problem, as Chrissa commented, output explanation. To get transaction happened or not, use me and sum to get values in binary. When transaction is 1, create the series from 0, 1, 2, and using group B, sum, count, rearrange the value for 0 using .lock. Note, maybe I have added more complex to solving this problem, but it will give you an idea and approach to solve this problem. Solution for considering customer ID. Sample input. Sample output. Explanation for considering customer ID. The above code works based on the interval between 1, 1. So to make the same format, sort df by cust_8 and txn_month. For future you could add txn_year. Fill the 0 won't be work here, because shift will not create NaN for next customer. To reset into 0, find duplication of customer ID and take first value, replace that into 0.
It is not easy as a